So let's continue. Let's begin with functions, or let's begin with formulas. And we said formulas are typed direct by the user into the cells. So let's use formulas to do the calculations for the total. So before you write any formula, you make sure that you begin with an equal sign. You put an equal sign. So anything we type inside the cell appears at the top here. So this one here, we call it the formula bar. So under the formula bar, that's where anything that is typed in each cell appears. So we begin with an equal sign. We write an equal sign. Then we check the cells. We have the first cell. It's for mathematics, which is B. We have B3. Then plus we have C3 plus D3, then plus E3. Then we press enter. So on pressing enter, we have gotten the first total. Then we put the cursor there. Then we hold the left button of the mouse and we drag down. So as you have seen, we have gotten the total marks for all the students. Now to calculate the average marks, still using the formula, we begin with an equal sign. Then we can decide to add all the cells, or we can decide to use the total to calculate the average. So let's add all the cells. So we open a bracket, then we put all the cells. We begin with the B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus E3 plus E3. Then we close the bracket, then the forward slash. So we count the number of subjects. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 subjects. So we divide by 4. Then we click. We press enter to get the average. So we have 58.25. And we drag down to get the total. Drag them down. So we have the average marks for all students. So we have used the formula to calculate the total and the average. Let me copy the work so that we can use the functions to calculate the same, to do the same thing using functions. So I've copied it down there. So let me erase the work. So let's begin with a function for calculating total. We begin with an equal sign. Then for total, we write sum. Then we open the bracket. Then we write the range of cells. So the range of cells, it ranges from B10. So you must know how to name the cells. so that it can be easier for you to do the functions and the formulas. So it begins from cell B10 to cell E10. Then we close the bracket, then we press enter. So as you can see, the results are same. So up here we use the formula, and down here we have used the function. So we have the same results. We can drag down to have the results for all the cells. So as you can see, it is just the same. Next, let's calculate the average using a function. We begin with an equal sign, then we write the phrase average, then we open a bracket, then we write the range of cell. It's from B10 to, put a full colon, E10. Then close the bracket, then press enter. So as you can see there, the results for average is same as that one for the formula. So we have used the function to calculate the formula. Now under grade, the grade and ranking, we cannot use formulas to do the grading. We only use functions. So under the functions, we use the if function. So since we have more than one condition, so we can use some criteria for grading. So we can have marks and grade, so that we can use it for grading. So marks above 80, we can give it A. Then 70 to 80, we give it grade B. Then marks 60 to 70, we give it grade C. Then 50 to 60, we give it grade D. And below 50, we give it grade E. So let's use this criteria in doing the grades. So we use this one to grade our students. So when writing a function for grading, you always know that you begin with an equal sign. So we want to have the grading, do the grading so that we can get the results. So if a student scores between the marks, then it gives the grade. So for grading, we are going to use the average. We grade using the average marks so that we can get the total grade. And sometimes we can do the grading for each subject. So in the next video, we are going to begin with the grading. So stay tuned to watch the next video and see how to put the if function for grading. Thanks for watching.